Well, this is why I always go over things when I get something secondhand. Even though it runs decent, it could run better. So look at the air filters all plugged. I'm gonna check the spark plug, check out a few things. Make sure it has fresh gas and sharpen the chain. Always something to do. See what else. I got some visitors coming today, but we'll see what else I get done today. Maybe more work on the garden. Always more work on the garden. And I started digging up for the cellar. Also, forgot to add, there's this dumb frickin' woodpecker that's pecking on eaves trough, an old eaves trough I got leaning up behind this shed. Been doing it for a few days. Now, maybe there's a reason. Maybe he's sharpening his beak, toughening up his skull. There he goes. But he fucks off, and he comes back again and starts hammering away on the eaves trough. I don't know what he's trying to do here, but whatever. Each to their own, right? Okay, I got this Oregon chain sharpener that I got with it at the garage sale. Now, it's got these angles on it, degrees. So imagine you just set it in and line up the line with the chain as best you can. But the problem is I need 12 volts. This little battery I had sitting in the garage over the winter. It was a fairly new battery, but I probably fucked it over the winter. Probably froze, but I'm going to try and charge it with the charger to the generator. I guess I could just run a 12 volt from the plug-in. Anyway, I'm going to try that because I should try and charge the battery anyway. Right now when I test it, it's only at 8.48, so that's no good. I'll let it charge for a bit and we'll test this thing out. Beautiful. Okay, is it gonna run? Is it gonna cut? Running good. On to the next project. Okay, after I got the saw working efficiently, ran into Vegreville with my brother and my sister-in-law, and I'll give you a little update on how the garden's coming along, what we got going on. Right here is peony, red magic, flower, hosta, supposed to grow very big flowers apparently according to sister-in-law. Iris, pallida, I don't even know how to pronounce half of these flowers, but they're going to look good amongst the BC trees. And then they gifted me for the acreage, they gave me a rhubarb. Everyone needs a rhubarb. And over here, I'm hoping that this grape is going to climb right up. I'll finish closing in the outdoor shower, but have grape growing all the way up, maybe all around the sides also. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, I tell you. Hopefully. What else did we get today? Well, these are all a bunch of herbs here, but this is from the other day. Strawberry, hanging strawberry. Blueberry. And strawberry, more strawberry. If you haven't noticed a theme, I like foods that just come up every year. Perennials. These are all strawberries. Most all this is from BC. And we got some cat grass and some catnip for the cat. Tomatoes, lettuce. Over in the main garden area, we got cherries. A dwarf cherry tree. Nice. I still got to fill in these raised beds. I think I'm just going to put onions, garlic. It's just real basic stuff. Because I'm going to have enough to water, considering I don't really have a good water supply yet. This is a Viking Arona. That's some sort of berry bush. I don't even know what the hell I got, but I know it's something I can eat. Blackcurrant. It's going to be my little feature pond. Over here we got a walnut tree. Walnut. Doesn't look like much now, but it'll be mighty. And over here, Saskatoons. They're coming along good. Apple tree. I think it's a Red Delicious or something, that one. And then this is the Siberian apple tree. Very small, but it should grow up. And that's it. Along the edge of the field there, because I think I own part of that field, according to the survey peg up on the hill. I'm going to put some potatoes, something just easy potatoes. They grow, they grow. So, lots to do, lots going, but keeps me out of trouble. Well, one more thing that I'm working on, because I like to multitask, is still working on the cellar into the side of the hill. I'm going to be digging this out over time. Dig, dig, dig like a mole. So that's just a big quick update. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Go forth and prosper.